Hey everybody, it's George the Tech. Well, here's a little quickie. I wanted to just, while I had this mic in-house for a little bit, I wanted to try out a comparison test between the Rode NTG4, which I have here, well this is actually the 4 Plus, and the Rode NTG5. What are the differences in sound quality between them? I'm not going to get into the differences in how they're made or features so much. Really, how do they sound in comparison to each other? So first of all, I'm starting off here with the Rode NTG4. It has the top boost turned on. So this is what the microphone sounds like, the Rode NTG4 with the top boost turned on. Now let's turn it off and make it flat. Now this is the Rode NTG4 flat with no top boost. A much more dull, flat sound, which great on some voices, not so great on mine. But anyway, there you go. There's my Rode NTG4 going into a Rode Rodecaster, recording directly into the software I'm using right now, which happens to be ScreenFlow. And that's what it sounds like. All right, let's go ahead and rapidly swap out the mics. Okay, I haven't touched a thing. No gain adjustments. Nothing. This is now the Rode NTG5. The first thing that jumps out at me is, whoa, the output is way hotter than the Rode NTG4. Dramatic jump in output level. Quite surprising. So it uses way less gain. I may even be overmodulating. Let me check my meters. Okay, I just backed down the gain by 5. And now it sounds like we're not overmodulating. But boy, before, to get enough gain on that Rode NTG4, I was using a lot more gain. So there you have it. So that's the Rode NTG5 compared to the Rode NTG4. What do you guys think? Rode NTG5, Rode NTG4. There you go. Just a quick comparison test. What do you guys think? This has been George the Tech. Bye-bye. Back to work. Too much to do.